How to get Discord Nitro free Epic Games. Epic Games 3 months Discord Nitro offer is applicable only to new Nitro users. If you have already purchased or claimed Discord Nitro in the past, you can't claim this offer. So if you haven't tried Discord Nitro, first of all head to the Discord Nitro listing on the Epic Games Store and click on the Get button. Log into your Epic Games if you already have one, or sign up for a new account. You could also sign in with your Facebook, Google account, Steam account, and more. Once you are logged in, click on the Press Error to claim your free Discord Nitro subscriptions. Within 24 hours, you will get an email from Epic Games with your Discord Nitro code. When you receive the mail, click on the Redeem Now button to get 3 months of Discord Nitro. You will now be taken to Discord for setting up a payment method and redeeming your free Discord Nitro. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get Discord Nitro free Epic Games. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.